So you look at our ostrich now. It's been 3 days that we're giving this pen strip, this antibiotic. I did it myself. I also had a background on how to inject medicines inside the body or to the body of the animals. That's why I'm not anymore a stranger about this activity, because I already also have honed my skills in injecting vitamins and even antibiotics to our ostriches. So, going back to the characteristics of the ostrich, please bear in mind that they are not to be compared to other fowls like the turkeys, geese, and chickens. Because these ostriches have distinct characteristics. They can even eat pliers, stones, everything that fits into their mouth, as what I've said.